In this video, we'll see how we can add infinite loop video in Elementor for free. Like here, this video will be playing in infinite. You can add it in background or anywhere as per your requirement. Let's go. So here, I'm logged into admin dashboard of WordPress. Now, what we'll do, we want to add background video or any type of video that will be automatic moving or play in infinite loop in WordPress. For that, what we'll do, first, you need to go here. You need to upload your video here. Just click on upload, select the file and upload it. Now you have uploaded it. In library, you will see here, okay, I've uploaded the video. Here is my video. I will copy the link. Now to add a section, we will be adding in Elementor. So here we see I've already installed Elementor. It is a plugin through which we created pages or section in WordPress. Now plugin is installed. Now go click on create new page. Here we see, click on create new page or you can edit any existing pages. I will click on edit with Elementor. Now here add video in background or to add any video section that will keep moving in scroll. What I will do, I will add a section. Here you see, this is my section. Now click here, go to style. Here you see video option. Now copy the link or paste the link that you have copied. Here you see automatic video is played. Now there are two options. Either you can add some content over this video or you can make this section only for video, like you want to create two sections and you can leave one section for video, like go there, go on style, and here you can add it. You can see, and here you can add whatever you want to add, text or heading, or you can add video on. Now we have added video on background. Now we will add overlay text on it. You can see, I will add a overlay background. Then you can add whatever you want to add upon it. Like here, you can style as per your requirement. I will just copy, drag and drop it here. You can see it's looking much more better. Now you can style this section as per your requirement. It's totally upon you. You can see even in mobile, when you go on mobile view, this video is not playing. What you need to do, go here, here you can see option of play on mobile. Now you can see it started playing in mobile. Okay, so just keep in mind, like if you want to add video in background, you need to check this setting. Now publish it. Here you can see now video is added in background. You can see continuous video is running and the text is running over it. You can even add a continuous loop video as a separate section, or you can add at the background. There's both option in it. You can use that for. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel.